If you are confused and have doubts that your boyfriend or husband is losing interest in you, this video can help you get a clear picture if he's really losing interest or it's just you overthinking. If you get a clear picture beforehand, it can spare you the pain and heartbreak later on, as you will get a hint right now of his situation. You should have the whole clarity and insight into what's going on in your partner's mind. If you have just started dating recently, this video can really help prevent you from wasting your time and feelings on the wrong guy. Honestly, I don't want him to waste your time and play with your feelings, so I will try my best to elaborate on all these signs and recommend what you should do to get him back if he's slipping away gradually. So, these are the 12 signs that he's losing interest in you. Number 1, you are always the one who reaches out first. Does he reach out first or is it always you? I am not saying that he has to reach out first all the time. Actually, that's equally bad. There must be a balance where you both reach out to each other at an equal ratio. But if he never reaches out to you first, that's a major red flag right there. This means that he doesn't miss you much, or maybe he's not that much interested. Naturally, if someone is emotionally connected to you, he will definitely want to talk to you more and reach out to you. Now, there might be a possibility that you bombard him with messages daily and always reach out first without giving him a chance to miss you. So, I would highly recommend you to wait and control your emotions and let him reach out to you for a couple of days. Number 2, he doesn't ask you any questions about yourself. When you like somebody, you are curious about their daily routine and what's going on in their lives. This doesn't mean that he has to ask you 1,000 questions a day, but if he doesn't ask you simple caring questions like how was your day or what you've been doing all day, there's definitely something wrong. There is a base level of curiosity in a relationship. If he is not interested in asking you anything, there are chances that he is not interested in you as well. Number 3, he doesn't introduce you to people in his life. If he is not introducing you to his family and friends and not bringing you to his world, there can be chances that he is not serious about you right now. If he used to make you meet his friends and family before but hesitate to invite you now, there's definitely something wrong with him. This means that he doesn't want to integrate you into his life in the long term, and either he is doubtful about the future with you or he is not interested in you anymore. If you want him to be serious for you and consider you as his future, you got to know that one psychological instinct of a man that makes him decide whether he wants to spend his life with you or not. What if you could control that psychological instinct and be among the 2% of women in the world who can do that? Grab my ebook for free from the link in the description below. It's free only for now, but I can't promise that for too long. Number 4, he is not present when you both hang out. What I mean by not present is that he is lost in his own thoughts when he hangs out with you. If you sense that he is not putting in the effort and not really talking properly when he is with you, that's what I am pointing to. If he spends most of his time on his phone or lost in his thoughts when he is out on a date with you, there's something going on in the back of his mind. So, if he is not trying to know more about you and furthering the conversation, it could be that he has lost interest in you. Number 5, he cancels plans more often. If he cancels plans again and again, that's a sign that he is not interested in meeting you. It doesn't mean that he cannot cancel once or twice, but it's a major sign when he cancels most of the plans with you. Also, if he is hesitant in planning a proper date with you and gives you excuses like he is busy somewhere, that's also a sign that he is pulling away from you. Number 6, he doesn't ever compliment you now. Does he never say that you are looking gorgeous or pretty? Does he never compliment you or your appearance now? If yes, there's something definitely wrong. If he misses it once or twice, that's okay. But if he continuously doesn't compliment you for your looks, that's not good. All boyfriends or husbands shower love and compliments on their lovers, and if they are not, that can be a sign that they are not that interested now. Number 7. He is not interested in anything flirtatious now. Did he used to flirt with you before but has stopped now? Or he was never flirtatious with you and always maintained a friendly stance? This means that he doesn't get that vibe from you and he doesn't feel like teasing or flirting with you. There are some men who are not that flirtatious, so you can give him the benefit of doubt. But what if he used to flirt before but doesn't show that behavior now? Then this is definitely a red flag. Number 8. He doesn't share personal information with you. If he used to share personal information and instances with you before and don't share them now, that's a signal for you. When a man shares personal information, he gets vulnerable. If he doesn't share now, he doesn't want to be vulnerable with you. This could be because he doesn't trust you or is not interested in you anymore. By the way, if you want him to get closer to you and share every single personal information with you, grab the secret ebook which discloses some of the darkest secrets about controlling your man. The ebook is completely free, so you got nothing to lose and a lot of knowledge to gain. Number 9. He never initiates any plans. If you are the one who is always initiating meetings, plans, and dates, then that's not that good. Does he never initiates any plans, and when you plan any date, he is either making excuses or say things like let's see? This is a strong sign that he is losing interest in you. Number 10. There is zero jealousy in him. Did you notice that when you told him that you are going out with friends, he didn't even ask which friends you are referring to? Or you told him that you went out last night to a party and he didn't even care to ask where and with whom you went. These are the signs that he is not really interested in what you are doing and whom you are hanging out with. Number 11. He gives others more attention. If he is pouring his heart and spending more time with other people rather than you, that's not good for a relationship. If these other people are women, that's again a major red flag. Number 12. He doesn't give you updates on his life. He is not going to give you constant updates about his life. It would be extremely rare that he shares anything with you and maybe even feel hesitant in sharing when you ask him about something. If he is not giving updates on his life, like what he's doing at work or where he's heading to and things like that, then he is not interested in sharing updates about his life with you. For example, he desires to be fit and decides to hit the gym but never even mentions anything about it, and you find that after a few days. That's something serious for you to consider. Do you agree with these 12 signs? Do you want to add anything to these signs or want to share your real life experiences or situations? Feel free to share in the comment section below. And yeah, if you want your partner to treat you like a goddess and love you like crazy again, grab access to my ebook where you will discover some of the darkest secrets of love and a relationship that relationship coaches will curse me for giving out free. The secrets and techniques in this ebook will change his behavior completely and he will stop pulling away further and start getting attracted to your personality again. The ebook is free for now, but I can't assure you that it will be free for a very long time. Download it now and become a high value woman whom no man can ignore. The link is in the description below. Please subscribe to the channel University of Obsession for more videos on relationship and dating advice. Like and share it with your friends if this video helped you by any means. See you in the next video. Take care.